Number 3, find the perfect cubes and cube roots. Grab your calculator now. At this point on the worksheet, you can use your calculator from now on. Anything before this, you should have not been using your calculator like the directions said. So let's remember how to do the cube root on the calculator real quick. Remember, you type 3 second up arrow. 3 second up arrow gets that onto your calculator. And I'll type in 64 and hit enter. So that's a 4. I should have also reminded you to click mode and scroll down and make sure that it is blinking on classic. If it's not, click enter and then hit clear. Now you should be set. Alright, I need to do 5 times 5 times 5. I could have also done that 5 up arrow 3. That would have been the shortcut for cubing it. So this is 125. Let's take the cube root of 8. So 3 second up arrow, and then we can type in our number. So that's 2. Let's take the cube root of 216 and then times it by 4. So we need to do this piece first. So that would be 3 second up arrow, 216. And we will times that by the 4 that's out front, times 4. So that is 24. Alright, so next one is 3 cubed to get back to the cube root. So 3 to the 3rd power, 27. Taking the cube root of 343, so 3 second up arrow, 343. That's 7. Let's do 8 cubed to get back to the cube root. 8 up arrow 3 gets us 512. And the last one, if we take the cube root 3 second up arrow of 1, that's 1, because 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Over and out.